Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and I'm here with a new video, and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobkar. And yeah, you can follow us on Instagram. And with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So this is video is about job hiring, and Wipro is hiring for system engineer, and we will talk about this job opportunity today. Okay, so this is the job description and the requirements, skills requirements the company want for the system engineer role. So the requirements are excellent communication skills, ability to empathize, specify, and handle irate customers with exceptional communication skills, and technical knowledge in troubleshooting base operating system issues, and eager to learn new technologies, and troubleshooting Windows, Outlook, Teams, and Citrix, VDI, VPN, and security app, etc. over remote support, and answer incoming calls and respond to customers' email in timely manner, and manage and resolve customer complaints, and identify and escalate issues to supervisors and when needed, and provide product and service information to customers, and research required information using available resources and offer solutions to customers, and research, identify, and resolve customer complaints using applicable software, and root calls and tickets to appropriate resources and domains when best support user, and document all call information according to standard operating procedures, and recognize, document, and alert the management team of trend in customer calls, and creates SOPs for new issues and resolutions given, and complete call log and reports. Okay, so this is all the job requirements they want in a candidate who want to apply for this job role, and they have not given anything apart from this. So all the graduates are eligible, despite of they are any batches, so all the batches or all the graduates are eligible for this job. So if you are someone who is looking for a job, then this is the right opportunity for you, so do apply for this job. You will find this link in the description box, and once you click to the link, you will need to click here on this apply now button and complete your application, and after completion of your application, for further communication, the company will coordinate to you through the email ID, so just be active on that. And yeah, this is all for today's job update, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for getting the updates in future. And yeah, I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.